What up? I took a shower and I'm just kind of really chilling today, but I'm still gonna go to Walmart and then make those dream boards or goals. It's actually gonna be two. One of them's gonna be in the house and one of them's gonna be in the garage. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm also going to maybe clean the garage a little bit, and then that's probably about it for today. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna tie-dye some shirts, and I know you guys probably already saw the last vlog, me tie-dyeing, so I'll probably just show it really quick. But if you guys want to check that out, that should be a couple vlogs back. Title of my new relationship is what that vlog would be, of me tie-dyeing some LYV shirts. I'd rather spend my energy by myself and with the YouTube channel and you guys, rather than just spending my time and energy on people that aren't worth it, or things that just aren't worth it. So I'm just trying to be efficient and have an efficient life, and that kind of ties in with being a vlogger, right? Today I kind of took off, but I'm still vlogging, so yeah, check it out. Let's get it!
Okay, shorty, I just want the net on them bands, so I want them. I own a shit in a day, bro.
Oh my god. I don't, unfortunately. Let's get it! Let's get it! So for grocery shopping, I'm gonna get some freaking milk, and I'm gonna get some tuna fish like usual, and then I'm gonna get what else? Some bread. I really like tuna fish, if you guys couldn't tell. I mean, I don't like it. I mean, I love it, but like, it's just good for you, you know what I mean? So. I'm sorry if I'm like in like just a chill mood. Like, I'm just basically lazy today. I'm just kind of like, I slept all day and I kind of woke up, but I needed to do this and I needed to do the vlog. Kind of I'm gonna keep it inside the house, just as like even reminders to make sure like I like do stuff at certain times. Like I get home, take a shower right away, because like I get home and I sit down and I'm like just exhausted. So like I think that's what I'm gonna do. I probably need like some Sharpies. So I don't know if you guys have tried these yet, but you should. They're my freaking weakness, so. Alright, what's going on, you guys? So I basically already just did this. I know there's probably spelling errors and it's not super pretty, but this is my Live Your Vision board. And then for this side, I got Move Out of Colorado. So with that, it's in the month, just because I want to kind of maybe look into it, because I don't want to stay here forever. And then in 1 month, I want to paint the car and finish up the bodywork. In 1 month, I want to do a YouTube collab. And then with that, Morris Petty. In the description down below, I'm going to put his channel. This is basically me asking you, bro, if we can do a collab. He's super awesome. Go ahead and give him a follow. His stories are amazing. His Instagram stories, super inspirational. They say the 5 closest people in your life are a reflection of you. So I want to make sure I have real nice, positive people in my life. And if I can find someone that's just smarter and motivated and inspired, then that's just better for me. 1 year, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but maybe 1,000 views per video. Just keep them coming, you know what I mean? More people the better. 1 year, start school and video, social media in parentheses. That's kind of what I'm interested in. Maybe business, we'll see. I'm okay with being by myself. I'd rather be by myself if it's a positive influence than negative. Not that that's ever been the case, but in 1 year, I want to build a drift car. And then my bottom affirmation is I am a professional YouTuber. So if I write it down, there's power in writing things down. So especially if I'm looking at it, it's in my mind, and that's where my energy is directed towards. So if you work with the universe is going to work with you. So that's the whole point behind Live Your Vision, you guys. It's kind of why I started this channel. So I'm gonna perfect it. I'm gonna add stuff. So I got a pink one for my friend Jordan here. An extra large. I might keep it. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna be giving away this one. And it's gonna be just a black. So we'll see. One of those two I'm gonna be giving away. This black one's for me. So I'm just gonna basically keep one of those two. Cool, so I got the 4 shirts all wrapped up. These rubber bands freaking suck, by the way. Kept breaking on me, but let's go add the dye. So what we got going on over here, this one's for sure gonna be mine because it's the large and it's got nice blacks, and I added some red in there just because I had some left over. This is blue and red, and I'm pretty sure that might be given away. This one's a strictly black, and then this one is pink and then with a little bit of red, but mostly pink. What up, you guys? So I got my t-shirt in the mail here, and then my Doritos. I had that bag of chips last night, and then I realized that, like, because I don't really eat processed stuff a whole lot, that it really like affects my stomach, but I love these things. I'm still gonna eat them. My second bag of chips. So got this here, a little sneak peek here, some eBay merch, right? But I think I'm gonna be happy with it. Oh man, it's got a nice big logo. So this is XXX Temptation, and this is his mugshot. So I hope it's the right size. I got a large. So yeah, that's pretty sick. Let me throw it on for you guys, and I'm also gonna pick up some LYV stickers for my aunt. So next clip should be me wearing this, and then we're gonna go grab those stickers. What up, you guys? Shirt's fire. I'm glad the logo's nice and big. This is a large. I mean, kind of fits a little snug, but I'll make sure to not wash it in hot. But yeah, this is fire. I'm super happy with it. I'm gonna be giving away some of those stickers, but the other 2 are gonna be on my car. So yeah, check it out.